Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing of this 3-in-1 snow brush with squeegee and ice scraper. So it comes in this nice looking bag, and my cat is trying to get into the box. So let's see. That's the end of the snow brush, and you can see it's really large. It's a telescopic one, so if you have a large car, it's really good. It's an extendable part here, so you can use this one to extend it. And I'm gonna try to get the other parts out. That's the third part, so you can see you just need to attach everything and you should be good to go. So this part to scrape the ice. You can use also this part also to scrap it, especially when you have the freezing rain. And you see here I just attached every part. This one extends, so it's really huge. I highly recommend it. I'm going to test it out, and if I have any concerns I'm going to let you know. Thank you for watching.